What's up, my YouTube family? It's your girl Glenda with Whatcha Cookin Glenda, and we are back with a special edition of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. This is our special wedding anniversary dinner. So, before we get started, if you want to be a member of the G Squad, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. And so, listen, tonight's menu is going to be ribeye steak. And then the next, and we're also having some baked potatoes. These baked potatoes have been scrubbed already, and they are ready for me to take this fork and punch some holes in them. So we're gonna get started and do that. There's no limit to the amount of holes we want to put in here. I'm just making sure we have enough to give a chance for these to bake. So the next thing I'm going to do is take some olive oil, and I'm just going to go over these with some olive oil, and we're going to just roll them down with some olive oil. It's going to make your skin nice and crispy. Because baked potato skin is really good as well. I know you guys have been to restaurants and had those potato skins, those fully loaded potato skins. They are absolutely amazing. So now we're gonna take some, I've got some pink Himalayan salt. However, if you have some kosher salt, use that. That's fine. I've got kosher salt as well, but I'm gonna use the pink Himalayan salt. And my hands, of course, are a little greasy. So let me do this. Let's try this again. There we go. I just like to put a nice amount of salt on the outside, just to give your skin some seasoning. Oh, 350 degrees until they are fork tender. So you will need to take your fork and pierce these. So far, maybe about, you put them in there and check them in about an hour. That's what you do. Check them in about an hour. These are not so big, so they don't have to go for so much time. They're not that big, so check them in about an hour. 300. What's up, family? We are back and we are at the stove and we are getting ready to fix our ribeye steaks. I have 3 here. I have 3 more as well, as I told you guys. There's a nice good little marbling on those, and I'm gonna try to make one of these at least medium well for my mother, and yeah, and the other ones are gonna be well for us. So what we have here is I'm gonna season these with some pink Himalayan salt and some regular, well, restaurant, I'm sorry, a pepper grinder. I have a pepper grinder here, right here. And I'm gonna grind some fresh black pepper on there. Apparently, that is the best.
I'm coming home to you. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we want to do.
Oil here, and my pan is on a medium-high heat. So You want to have your pan nice and hot when you put your oil in there. If you can see the smoke coming off of there, that's what you want. That's what you want. I'm also going to add a couple of pads of, just a little bit of butter. Don't get hot. Bless you. Ooh, thank you. Alright. And I'm going to take my steak. Everybody stand clear. And we're going to put this steak away from you. And what you're looking for, I'm going to probably just do a couple of steaks at a time here. I'm going to try to get all three of these in here, but we don't want them to touch too much. There you go. And you want to get you a nice crust, a nice caramelization on these steaks. So, you want these to get a nice, good crust on the other side. And then, so on this one, we're going to do a medium well. So, we want to have a nice caramelization, not caramelization, I'm sorry, a nice crusting on the other side before we flip it over. And once we flip it over, we'll get a nice crust on the other side, but we won't let that other side cook long. We're going to put this in the oven, especially the medium well one, at about, only for about 5 to 8 more minutes. So now we're going to flip this over. This is that's that medium well one right there that we're going to do. And we're just going to leave this on this side for just like a minute or so. And then what you want to do is finish these in the oven. Ooh, that's nice and tender. Look at that. Mercy. Yeah. And then I have a pan over here to the side that has been foil lined, and once they come off, I'm gonna put them on this pan. I'm gonna put them on this pan, and then they're gonna go in the oven.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us. And we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.